Hello everyone, I just wanted to record a quick screencast to show you everything that needs to be done for this week one in your PowerPoint class. A couple of first general announcements. First of all, please download Blackboard Instant Messenger. Do that as soon as you can, and this way you'll be able to talk with me, and we'll be able to talk with each other in the class, and we will have our office hours that way too. I don't know how many of you were here in the past, but the live instructor support no longer works the same way. Right now we're going to be working with Blackboard Instant Messenger and having a group discussion, and in this class it'll be every Tuesday between 9 and 9:30 p.m. We will meet there on the Instant Messenger and talk about any of the questions you guys have in class. Next, another general class announcement. Use Firefox. Although it will come up in Internet Explorer, you'll be able to see it in Google Chrome. It really works best, and Blackboard was designed to work with Firefox. You're going to have certain sections that don't work as well. You're going to have certain things that don't work at all if you use any of the other browsers. So please, if you don't have Firefox on your computer now, please download it. The second part of this general announcement is to talk about Acrobat Reader. One of the things that Firefox is having a problem with right now is actually coming up with the Acrobat or the PDF forms that come up in a lot of your classroom stuff, like the lecture, your assignment details, and those type of things are all PDF format. What you're going to see is this error message right here across the top of your Firefox screen, and what you'll need to do is click this button that says open with a different viewer. What that's going to do is open it up in Acrobat and allow you to read it and use all the links that are within it, because a lot of these forms have links in them where you can go to videos, where you can see the different things that you need to do in order to progress in the class. That's pretty much it for that. Just be sure to use Firefox. Be sure to open up everything that you can with Acrobat Reader, because that's the way you're going to be able to read it. As far as week one of the actual class goes, one of the biggest things with PowerPoint is that you're going to need to practice it. Practice. Reading is very important because you're going to need to go through the textbook in order to find out your words of the week, the terminology that's going to be used in the lecture, the terminology that's going to be used that you're going to see in the program. You want to read, open up your textbook, flip through those pages, get through it quickly, because the most important thing, in my opinion, to do other than the assignment is the labs. The labs will give you a step-by-step instruction on how to work inside of PowerPoint, the different items that you'll see there, the different features that you can use to make your presentation more exciting, more interesting, and get your point across to your audience. Next, obviously, you're going to want to do the assignment. I've given you the link to the base data that you're going to use for your PowerPoint presentation throughout the class in this announcement as well. You want to be able to go in here and you can click that, and that'll give you the starting point for PowerPoint and the project that you're going to kick off for the next 5 weeks. This link is also in your assignment details. I believe it is also in the week breakout for the class. Finally, to talk about in this presentation, we're going to talk about Course Cafe. One of the things that it encourages you to do at the end of week one, at the very bottom of that page, is to tell you to research online, find a PowerPoint presentation that you think is interesting, exciting, or in some way speaks to you, and post it in the Course Cafe. This way all of your classmates can see it, kind of get an idea of where you're coming from, the ideas that you have, and the plans that you may have for the project in the future. I'm going to post one in there as well, and we'll be able to get a good discussion started and figure out what are the best practices for it and what are some kind of negative things that could happen where you might not be able to see the pictures that you need to see, or just putting inappropriate colors in places where things just kind of disappear on you. If you have any questions, my phone number is 407-230-3729, but the easiest and probably best way to get in touch with me is by email. My email is write.neil@gmail.com, and you can see that on your screen now. If you have any questions, just get in touch with me that way, or as you sign up for it, by the Blackboard Instant Messenger. We will talk to you soon, and have a great week.